Hello. Welcome to Body Tips. Today we are going to learn about general tips that may help to maintain and improve your hearing health. If you're not yet subscribed, then subscribe now. General tips that may help to maintain and improve your hearing health. Protect your ears from loud noises. Exposure to loud sounds can damage the tiny hair cells in the inner ear, which can lead to hearing loss. To protect your ears, avoid prolonged exposure to loud music, noisy environments, and use earplugs or earmuffs when necessary. Maintain a healthy lifestyle. Maintaining a healthy lifestyle can improve your overall health and also help to maintain good hearing health. Eat a balanced diet rich in vitamins and minerals, exercise regularly, and avoid smoking and excessive alcohol consumption. Keep your ears clean. Keeping your ears clean can help to prevent infections and other hearing problems. Use a soft cloth to clean the outer ear and avoid using cotton swabs or other objects that can damage the ear canal. Get regular hearing checkups. Getting regular hearing checkups can help to detect any hearing problems early on and prevent further damage. It's recommended to get a hearing test at least once every 10 years up to age 50, and every 3 years thereafter. Use hearing aids or other assistive devices. If you have hearing loss, using hearing aids or other assistive devices can help to improve your hearing and quality of life. Consult an audiologist for the best hearing aid options for you. Practice good communication habits. Practicing good communication habits can help to reduce the strain on your hearing and make it easier to understand others. Face the person you're talking to, speak clearly and slowly, and ask for clarification when necessary. Remember that hearing health is important and should be taken care of just like any other aspect of your health. If you have any concerns about your hearing, consult a healthcare professional. Thank you.